This video aims only to provide notions and meaningful informations that might help teachers in handling their learners inside and outside the classroom. If somebody get offended of the content of this video, then it is not and never intentional.
Hi, rock and roll! Peace! Welcome back to my channel. Nga pala, salamat nga pala sa mga nanood ng aking channel. No? At sa mga bago, you may click the subscribe button and click the bell for you to be updated of my videos. Nga pala, seryoso tayo. Napakahalaga ng pag-usapan natin ngayon kasi ako ay napakapugi. Joke lang. Okay, back tayo. Guys, seryoso tayo guys ha. Kasi, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay seryosong bagay. Ito ay tungkol sa iba't ibang uri ng learners na mayroon tayo sa classroom at kung paano natin sila i-handle. So, ano bang hinahinday natin? Tara na, let's go! I love you! Opa!
How to know what type of learners do you have? How was your relationship with them? Through this video, you will learn the different types of learners in your classroom. You will also get an idea on how to handle them. 8 types of learners in your classroom. First, the bully. They are rebellious. They want to be known by their classmates as the alphas in a classroom. They always hunt on weaker classmates. They feel great when somebody can't fight them back. They always make trouble. How to handle bullies in your classroom? As a teacher of the bully, you need not to make them feel like they are home because they hate it when somebody look down on them or treat them the way they treat their victims. They want to have a teacher who could also be their friend and who could be trusted. So as a teacher, you have to find ways to earn their trust and respect in a positive way. If you earn the trust of the bullies, then you will see how good they really are. The second one, the joker. They are the clown of the group. They always make every situation fun. They always try hard to make everybody happy, even if their jokes are not always funny. How to handle the joker learners well? As their teacher, you have to admire their positive traits, appreciate their good intentions, but tell them nicely that there is a right timing for jokes. Tell them that it is good to make everybody happy by joking as long as it is not too much. The third type of learners is the clueless. The clueless type of learners usually have no idea what their group mates or classmates are doing, but they never ask because they don't know also what to ask. They always need a very clear instructions. What they are doing is never intentional, they are just like that. To deal with this type of learners, you have to stay near to them or let them sit near you for you to guide them, answer their questions if they have. Provide more games that might help them improve their focus and listening skills. Give extra time for them. If you are busy, then you may apply the peer tutoring. The fourth one, the outsider. These learners are like real outsiders. They rarely wear school uniform. They love to sit at the back. They show no interest to your lessons. They don't like any drama at all. Now, how to handle learners like them? Make them the good example, even if they are not doing anything. Use reverse psychology. Appreciate them in advance for the future assignment that you'll give to them. For example, you'll say during your casual talk that you appreciate the presence of Bob, just a made up name, for he is one of my learners or your learners that you could trust. He is a silent type, not wearing school uniform, but every time you will give him a task, he always do his best. Later, I will assign him as the leader of the group. 2. Try to absorb his group. The fifth type of learner the hard worker. They are your learners who know what they want. They are very focused. They are not always intelligent, yet they study very hard. They always give their 100% to achieve their goals, even if their 100% are not always enough to achieve it. As their teacher, surprise them by tapping their shoulder or back and say, "Good job," to make them feel that you appreciate their effort and for you they already achieved their goals. Through this, you will give them the feeling like it's okay to fail, and failing is not always losing. The sixth type of learner is the nerd. The nerds are the victims of bullies. They are mentally strong yet physically not so fit. They don't mind socializing, or they don't find socializing interesting. They always bring books and talks about ideas. They always want to be alone or be with other nerds. They are very insecure. As the teacher of the nerds, you have to make them feel that they are safe in your classroom and nothing can harm them. Have casual talk with them twice a week so that you are indirectly teaching them to socialize. The seventh type of learner is the overactive one. They are those whom you call langaw or puwaglabot because they keep on transferring from one place to another. They always have something to do. They are very wise and playful. They walk and run on chairs and tables. How to handle learners like them? As their teacher, you have to provide the overactive more interesting learning activities. You have to stand also near the overactives during discussion and giving of instructions to minimize misbehavior and to control them. The eighth type of learner is the queen of drama. These learners are very sensitive. They always feel like everybody is not being so nice to them. They don't like their classmates. They are used to have the attention of everybody at home. That is why in school, she cry easily, make every classmate feel that it's their fault to get attention. These learners need the 200% attention of their teacher, so they make dramas to get what they need. If you have this kind of learners, don't react like they are really pitiful, like it is really the fault of their classmates. You have to make them feel that it is just okay. Comfort them by touching their head and use reverse psychology.
Ahem, ahem. Alright, thank you for watching. Again, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell for you to be updated. Merry Christmas! Yay! Peace! Bye bye!